A must-pry tool. Remove both hub nut and washers. Coolant bottle, flushed already. Remove see hose retainer clip. Do not lose this. Pull down. Visual inspection for cracks, deformity. Mygel had a very small and slow leak around this area. But I believe the leak was located here. Hose did not look deformed, swelled. Radiator front seemed normal too. I'll try to disconnect this piece another time. Moper does not have replacement connector part you must buy. Entire lower rad hose number 8. For OEM part, try Moper, Amazon, dealership, or other trusted websites. AutoZone did not have generic part anyway. Good luck!